Welcome to Glasgow Go-Getters YouTube channel. My name is Kit. In this video, I want to share with you why I have started facilitating workshops. The story begins back in March, April 2018. I was attending an in-person workshop. That was what we did back then before COVID came along. As I was sat in this workshop, an idea came through my head. At the time, I thought it was an absolutely crazy idea. However, I went with it anyway. The idea was, oh, Kit, you can do that. And then I was listening to this voice or guidance or whatever you want to call it. Then I said to myself, yes, I can do that. So I approached the woman who has been my life coach ever since, and I told her, would you be my life coach and teach me, support me in how to facilitate workshops like what you are doing here? So she agreed, and I've been getting her support, guidance, tips and suggestions on how to get what was a dream, then it became a goal, fulfilled. There's another reason as to why I'm facilitating workshops, other than fulfilling this crazy dream goal. I've become a life coach through my own life transformation journey that began in June 2011. So come this June, it will be exactly 10 years since I started transforming my life through self-development, reading self-help books to acquire knowledge, through stepping out of my comfort zone. Making videos like these are stepping out of my comfort zone. I got into public speaking. I joined an international organisation for public speaking called Toastmasters. So I wouldn't have been able to make these videos if I hadn't joined Toastmasters, because I wouldn't have known what to say, how to begin, where to start, what to put in the content, how to say it, and where to begin, where to start, where to end. So Toastmasters has been an enormous benefit to help me speak to camera, get the content out there, and share what my experiences has been like as I go through my life transformation. At Toastmasters, what I do is I share most of my life journey, my gains, my losses, my struggles, my setbacks, challenges with my members, and that helps me to create content for my life coaching business. There's another reason that I want to share with you as to why I wanted to get into life coaching. It was through my early 20s when I was running a Chinese takeaway business with my ex-husband. We were doing this for 5 years. It was something that he wanted, and also it was something that his mum wanted. It wasn't what I wanted. It wasn't my goal to run a Chinese takeaway business. During those 5 years, I had often asked myself, come on, there must be more to life than working over 60 hours a week for 6 days a week and only having 1 day off. Come on, there must be more to life than just working, paying my bills, having children, being a parent, being a mother, being a wife, being a sister. I didn't go on any holidays because we didn't have any money. What money we did have, my then husband would gamble it all. So I felt trapped. I wasn't doing anything that I wanted or had a desire to do. I was living my life for other people, i.e. my ex-husband and his mum, to fulfill their goals. So as I was going through my life transformation since June 2011, I discovered that I can do what I want, when I want, and whoever I wanted, because I'd left my abusive marriage behind. When I discovered that I could do whatever I want, I realised that I'd set myself free. I've got the freedom now to live my life on my own terms and for myself. I was introduced to a business opportunity. It was a nutrition company that was set up way back in the 1980s called Herbalife. You may have heard of it. It was then that I realised, oh, yes, I want to own my own business. I want to work when I want to work. I want to take holidays whenever I want. I want to have financial freedom. I want to have passive income. I want to have all that I was shown that was possible. Now, this business opportunity didn't work out for me. However, the company it was and still is massive on self-development. And that was when I began my life transformation, when I was introduced to this business opportunity. I have consistently been working on myself, which is the biggest investment that I could ever invest on, working hard on myself. For example, I alluded earlier that I got into public speaking, I attend workshops, seminars, I read self-help books to acquire more knowledge, to learn. Every day is a school day. So I'm learning every single day. I want to expand as much as I possibly can. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to set up my own business. And life coaching business is something that I can do wherever I am. As long as I have a Wi-Fi connection, I can help clients either one-to-one or in groups. And these are the main reasons why I've set up my life coaching business and got workshops going so that I can help people get more out of life, because I've gotten so much out of life in the last almost 10 years that I know it's possible when you commit to it. I deserve more from life, and I want to share my journey with you. So this is why I have set up my life coaching business, Glasgow Goal Getter. Now, as to why it's called Glasgow Goal Getter, I will put that in another video at a later date. I hope you got something from this video as to why I've set up my life coaching business. Until the next video, it's bye from Glasgow Goal Getter and Kit. Bye bye, take care, stay safe.